Let me show you how to use it. The first step is you just clip the clip. Once it's locked into place, you can fit your phone into the clip. You just slide your phone in, but you want to make sure that your phone is centered. Pull out and extend the handle. Then to turn it on, you press once and then you long press, and there you go. If you don't fully extend this arm, the motor on this axis won't be able to properly balance the device. If you can see, the device just turns with my hand or twists with it. But if you fully extend it and click it into place, then it'll actually be able to balance the device. If for any reason any of the motors on your M1 get stuck or any of the axis get stuck, it'll automatically go into sleep mode. It'll make some beeping noise and go into sleep mode. This is to protect the device and make sure it doesn't get damaged. To restart it, you just close it back up and then open it, and then it'll start right back up. I wanted to also point out that you need to hold the device here. If you hold the device up further up, then it won't be able to turn. So there's a motor inside here, and it won't be able to keep the device balanced. Also, if you hold the device over the top, there's a motor in the bottom, right? And then it'll spin a couple times, and then it'll shut off. See, the device is off now. To turn it back on, you want to close it, and then reopen it, and then it'll turn right back on. If you're done using it for the moment, you close it up and it goes on the standby mode. You can see it's off now, and if I wanted to come back on, I just open it back up and it'll start going again. It works in 3 different modes. Right now I've got it in omnidirectional mode, which is the one I use the most. So as you can see, it follows you in both pan and tilt. When I want to change modes, I just press the button once, and right now I'm in lock mode. So this mode, it just locks in place. I can even set the direction, and it'll always face that direction. From lock mode, I'll press the button one more time, and then now it's in pan mode, so you can see it follows me in left and right movement. Like here, in up and down, it stays still. You can easily adjust the angle too. You just hold it for a second, so you just move it and hold it for a second, and it'll stay in that angle. If you want to switch it to vertical mode, basically you want to lift up the handle. So you lift it up and then rotate and hold it for a second, and then it'll stay in vertical mode, and then it'll just follow you. And if you want to go back to horizontal mode, you just lift it up and then it'll go back to itself. You can also do low angle shooting. You just grab the top and rotate it down and hold it for a second, and then it sets itself to do low angle, which is pretty handy. While in omnidirectional mode and underslung, you can rotate 90 degrees, and then it'll give you a 90-degree shot. Then you can rotate the handle to get higher angles or lower angles, just to adjust the angle. When you want to turn your M1 off, you just close it up, and then after 30 seconds, the device will shut itself off. Or you can manually shut it off by holding the power button for 5 seconds. When you're done filming, you basically just close it up, and from here you just want to hold it kind of near the top. And when you close it, you don't want to like squeeze it or just kind of like push it in just like that, because there's 2 locking bearings on either side, and by squeezing it you'll just tighten them. The easiest way is just to tap the bottom, and then you just close it up.